So Currys PLC is an electronics retailer. We're a digital-first omnichannel retailer, operating in the UK and Ireland and in the Nordics. We source products globally from over 200 factories. Particularly in periods of supply chain disruption, actually having the trust in Maersk that we can bring products in from different locations, so we have changed country of manufacturing quite quickly. That's critical for us in terms of managing some of these disruptions we've seen in the supply chain recently. We've seen geopolitical issues around the world, and not to mention the crisis we've seen in Suez. For a retailer like us, that's impacted on lead times, it impacts on cost. So actually being able to work with Maersk to manage that, and the visibility they give us of where our stock is in the network, has been crucial so we can make the right decisions. It's been a long-term partnership since about 2008. We have some system integration, but actually through that systems integration it is linked into our sourcing office as well as our supply chain teams, has enabled the business to make some commercial decisions to mitigate some of the issues which we can see. Working with Maersk, we can understand some of the bottlenecks, and actually what we've learned is to smooth the flow of product into our markets. So actually we're bringing a lot of stock in earlier than we would before, so we're sure we're in a good position as we head into peak trading periods. One of the areas of working with Maersk as a 3PL, it's not just the shipping element, it's that end-to-end control they have. We have one partner we can have discussions with, we can make decisions quickly. We're not having to talk to multiple partners who are managing different stages of that supply chain. So actually it helps with our decision making, and they do look after multiple parts of our inbound supply chain in terms of ensuring we get stock into our markets for customers.
Wow, this should have like 1 billion views.